Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make as a box in Photoshop. First of all, open your Photoshop program, then create a new file. Again, create a new layer. Click the shape. Right click on your mouse and select any shape, any type shapes. Then hold Shift for fixed size. Then do not hold Shift for custom size. Hold Alt or press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer. Again, click the shape. Do not use fill. Select stroke color, size 3.1. Okay, then press Ctrl T on your keyboard, click the icon and click custom drop down menu and find this arcs. Now click OK. Apply the same formula for this shape. Press Ctrl T. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.